Hello, my friends. Today, your friendly neighborhood Wonderwoman will be discussing the fine art of sushi. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, let's get started. And here we have got our first wondrous sushi build. We start off these lovely sushi rolls with fresh steamed baby fennel, fresh chives, pickled quail eggs, and our little hero over here, which is crispy smoked duck breast. Now, I sincerely doubt this has ever been done before, but I have got some hot smoked salmon, which has been encrusted in mustard seeds, sharp 6-month matured cheddar cheese, and we have wrapped it with Dijon mustard and sesame seeds. So this is going to be sensational. And sushi build number 3. This one is inspired by pizza and a salami. So it's a nigiri, snake, sushi, nigiri, topped with classic Italian salami, sweet peppers, and a little bit of toasted nori. Let's see how that goes down. Okay, here we go. So, one of the reasons that I decided to do sushi as a mini mukbang is that I find that very often sushi portion sizes are massive. So, I've specifically tried to make them small, but as you can see, my little middle hero over there turned out quite large, but I think that was just because I was hungry while I was making it, and you know how these things go. Okay, so the first hero we've got with the crispy duck breast. As I talk you through while I'm eating this, I'm going to show you little snippets of how I made it. This is sort of the traditional sushi roll where you roll the nori on the outside. I've also put a link at the bottom description of this video with a great recipe that's really, really easy and makes absolutely divine sushi rice. It's actually a lot simpler than you think it is, and it's a lot of fun to make at home with a family because, as you can see, you get to have fun with a whole lot of different ingredients. It doesn't have to be just straight bland old salmon, bland old avo. You can have a whole array of stuff. So here we go. The first one, I'm going to be putting on some Cuba mayo, which is the traditional mayo, because I love mayo. When I was pregnant, I ate mayo and white bread almost exclusively. My child's made out of mayo and white bread. Go Wonderwoman. Okay, here we go. Pickled egg on top. This is to give it a nice zing. I've also got, after so much research, it has been decided that their curcumin, which is available in South Africa, their 30% less sodium is one of the best, according to the interwebs, of soy sauces. So I'm just going to put a dash over there, because if you're going to spend money on duck breast that's been smoked, bloody hell, buy some good soy sauce. Is all I can say. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get this little sucker. And in she goes. That is really interesting. It's kind of like a take on bacon and eggs with the smokiness of the duck, and obviously the quail egg. And the fennel brings a lovely licorice flavor to it. And the chives, a crispness and a herbiness, which actually goes really, really well in a sushi format. All right, our next champion over here. This was my personal favorite when I was making it. I ate the rest of the roll that this little sushi was part of. Absolutely divine. I cannot believe how well mustard, cheese, and salmon work in a sushi roll. The flavor combinations are just incredible.
And that's my problem with sushi that's too big. It takes you forever to chew through it, and it's all gone in one shot. That's why I like to eat mini portions. So bad on me for making a big one. Bad on you, Fifi. Naughty Wonder Woman. Okay, last but not least, my pizzeria. Here we go. A little bit of soy, and I just thought this was just pure fun. What would happen if you added salami to sushi? How would it interact with the nori and that lovely sweet savory rice? And I say pretty darn well. Thank you very much. Kills it. That is actually amazing. You know, the idea came from when you're using salmon in sushi, generally salmon is quite a fatty fish. So is salami, but it has a whole different flavor profile, and that actually also really goes. So these are 3 absolutely unique, wondrous, fantastic ways of having sushi. So have a look at the recipes below. Try it at home. It's really easy. It's fun. And it's actually really healthy for you. Nori is full of vitamin C and iron and all sorts of wonderful vitamins. And your rice is very low in fat. It's just the toppings that you got to worry about. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. And we'll see you at the next episode. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Bye.